Hello guys, welcome to Nigeria News and Entertainment. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, which is airing on DSTV 129 and African Magic 29. Another chance at love. The love guests went for another speed dating section this evening and paired with new partners with aim of getting to know them better. It's been 24 hours already and our love guests have had to go for another speed dating session in their quest to find ultimate love. What this meant was that they had to let go of the individuals they paired with and move on to others they hadn't paired with previously. Some might have been sad to let their partners go, but for others it was another shot at finding their ride or die. Silence isn't golden. Though the love guests were given strict instructions by Aunty to interact with their chosen partners in order to get to know them better, some didn't even make an effort to do so. This was most frustrating for Ebiteinye, who poured her heart out to Rosie about how Kachi wasn't even attempting to speak to her. And by the look of things, as she described the type of man she's normally attracted to, Kachi didn't fit that profile. On the other hand, Kachi seemed to have his eyes on the very same person Ebiteinye was pouring her heart to. Makes you wonder if really all in love is fair. So, when the butlers informed them of another session this evening, it was good news all around. The pairings have brought some excitement in the love part, and from the look of things, it seems this time around they are making an effort towards each other. It's going to be interesting how the next 24 hours will pan out. If solid connections will be established or if there will be a need for another round of speed dating. Which pair are you most excited about? Hit us up in our comment section and let me know what you think about this, guys. Thank you.